Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Dollar General gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've made a Google Doc on how to redeem a Dollar General gift card. It's a very straightforward process and here's how you can do it. So in-store redemption, so if you just go ahead and browse as you normally would and shop for items inside the Dollar General store. And now once you've found your item or items you want to purchase, proceed to take those items to the checkout counter. And then when it's time to pay, inform the cashier that you will be using a Dollar General gift card. Hand your gift card to the cashier. They will scan the card or manually enter the card number to apply the balance to your purchase. From there, if your purchase total exceeds the balance on that gift card, you will need to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. For example, using cash, debit, credit card, etc. If your purchase total is less than the balance on the gift card, the remaining balance will stay on the card for future use. And here's some additional tips. So you can check the balance of your Dollar General gift card online on the Dollar General website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card or at the checkout counter in store. And also keep your card even after the balance is zero in case you need to return any items purchased with the card, as the refund might be credited back to the gift card.